Hi, my name is Travesh from AudioSecure, home of Rockford Fosgate, Pinetown. Today, besides me, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang 5.8 litre. A unique, true American muscle. A loyal, dedicated client entrusted nobody but AudioSecure to commence with his project. Interior was to keep it simple, kick panels modified, and a rear shelf just to integrate and flow into the interior of the vehicle. However, the wow factor is once you open the trunk, a complete Rockford Fosgate custom install. Install consists of punched marine coaxials for the front, marine coaxials for the rear. Subwoofers consist of 2 punched P210s, 3 power mini amplifiers, 1 amplifier per subwoofer, and a 4-channel to drive the coaxial. Look and feel was to integrate the interior and exterior, perspex laser cut, warm white lighting, and the front grille to match the perspex on the rear. It was crazy regarding the amount of American muscle research put into this project. Install was a 3-week project, entire interior removed. The cabin was completely installed with silent coat, sound deadening material. Not only did we want the install to look good, we needed it to sound as good as it looked. Favorite part of this project was sitting with the fabricator and designing the install. The client was ecstatic, his expectations were exceeded, and that was the greatest joy and pleasure.